Mabuhay! Welcome to my channel. You're here with Kathy, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium Box. Without no further ado, let's start. This Premium Box, it costs $35 per month, and I was surprised. I actually got my box kind of a lot earlier than last month, so we're getting better. They're getting there. For the first time, I kind of got everything makeup from Boxycharm for the first time. Alrighty, so first of all, I want to show you guys what was my choice. I actually picked the Ole Henriksen right there. This is a face primer, a Banana Bright face primer. So I really want to try this out. That's why I picked this. And I think the other two choices was like skincare. So the brands are amazing. I've seen this brand before. This is the Dermalect. I don't know what I got from before, but it looks like it's the same packaging. So I'm not too sure if the packaging for Dermalect is the same, but I definitely got this one. Unfortunately, I feel like this box is one of those that just got thrown everything in it, but I'm happy about it because I don't see any cards. So I don't know if this is one of the variations that, you know, how they have cards supposedly. I don't, so I'm still happy though. I got the Milk Makeup. This is the Longwear Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade PTO. Right, so that side, it's really pretty. It's like a pastel color. And then on the other side, oh cool, a smudger. I don't have prices as well because I don't have a card. The one is actually from MAC. Ooh, I know, I got something from MAC. This is the Satin Lipstick in the shade of Mocha. I wonder if this shade is like more of a brown since it's Mocha. But it looks like in the package, in the box, it looks like more brownish red or dark red. I'm a fan of MAC. So it's a little sweaty there. That's because, you know, it's been hot and cold. I don't mind that. It looks like a good shade. Big fan of MAC. It's just, I think MAC can be a little expensive sometimes. Alrighty. Next is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. Yeah, I wonder if this is just an actual brush. So I never really bought any Fenty Beauty unless it came from my Boxycharm. So thanks Boxycharm for always having good brands. This is what it looks like. Is this just like brush? I guess it is. Oh, so you pull and down. Well, this is the only one that's not really makeup, but at least it's a, you know, a makeup tool. So I'm happy enough. I don't really know how to use that. So it's actually a good thing that I'm not doing try-ons today, because it looks like I need to research how that works. Alright, the last one is a palette. Yes, I actually got a makeup palette. So this is from Chateau London. This is what it looks like. This is the Editor palette. Isn't that gorgeous? But you know what? I might actually do a swatches for this one just because it's a, you know, it's a palette. Doesn't have any name. The one thing I noticed in this one is there's only 4 mattes and everything are like what I said, shimmers and metallics. Let's start from here to there. Very soft. It's the one that looks like a dual chrome. And it looks like a matte, but over here it looks metallic. So that's the first set. Second one is pretty for blush on too. It's like a duochrome as well. And this, wow, it's like it's gonna be very pigmented. Oh my god, I was right. That's that. Last but not the least, the other matte. Oh, there we go. What do you think of this one? First one. Ooh. Second one. Third one. Ooh, I kind of like that green. I wish it has a name. It'd be a lot easier for me to like read it. This looks like a really cute purple pink. So the last matte color, this is the dark brown. Looks like it's gonna be very, it looks like it's very pigmented and blendable. Huh. And lastly, so I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it looks like the mattes are very nice and easy to blend, as you can see. Alright, so that's everything. I think my box for this month is really wonderful. I'm really surprised to get everything makeup, because usually there's always that one that's a skincare. So this month, 2 thumbs up. Love, love, love it. Right, so that's everything that I have for my Boxycharm Premium Box. I hope you like what you saw today, and I'm hoping that I made you a little excited to see what you're gonna get for your premium box this month. So if you like this kind of video and you want to see more, please don't hesitate to subscribe, and if you do, thank you so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.